Hi, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Shericka Jackson because she just made another record. This girl is on a roll and she is not letting up. Big up to Shericka. Anyway, that girl, your thing sell off. You're gonna make sure people know your name. Okay, so let's get into it. It says the 29-year-old Jamaican star was in a class of her own again as she ran the fourth fastest time in history and a Diamond League record. Okay, Shericka Jackson again just failed to break the women's 200 meters world record at Brussels Diamond League meet on Friday, the 8th of September. And that's today. Since failing to make it out of the heats at Tokyo 2020, the 29-year-old Jamaican has dominated the half-lap event and made it to back-to-back world titles in Budapest last month with a personal best of 21:41. She was just outside that time in Belgian capital, taking another commanding victory in 21:48, with Florence Griffin Joyner a world record of 21:34 from the Seoul 1988 Olympic Games tantalizingly close. Running here today was very good. I am very happy with my race. For me personally, it is just to show up, and especially in front of such an amazing crowd. You just have to put in your best, and that's what I did today, Jackson said afterwards. It felt really good tonight. I definitely feel like I'm getting there closer to that record. This is what the new Diamond League record and the fourth fastest time ever recorded, meaning Jackson now has four of the six best times in history. Jackson owns five Olympic medals, including gold as a member of the Jamaica's 4x100 meter relay in Tokyo. Antoinette Stratton of the Bahamas was second with 22:31, followed by American Gina Pardini 22:41. Brussels was the final opportunity for the stars of the sports to secure their spot at next weekend's Diamond League final in Eugene, Oregon. Don't play with her, don't play with her, don't play with her, don't play with her. Okay. Shericka Jackson is here to stay and she is dominating the half a lap. Okay. Shericka has the second fastest time, the third fastest time, and the fourth fastest time in history. Okay, when I say 2024 Paris Olympics is going to be lit, I mean is going to be lit. Let's not talk about new season's best for the fastest woman alive for Elaine Thompson Hurrah, who's back on tip top shape. But this one is about Shericka, okay? Shericka is right there. She recently also said that she is thinking about getting back to the 400 meters. And if you guys didn't know, Shericka Jackson originally started running the 400 meters. She was never a sprinter. Her coach told her to switch it up from the 400 to the 200 and the 100, and that's why she is running those events now. She said that she's thinking about going back to the 400. I think if Shericka ever goes back to the 400, she is going to be unstoppable. The way she's getting close to FLOJO's record is exciting and scary at the same time. If you look at her pictures, you can tell that she herself don't even believe that she is running that fast. But when I say I'm ready for Paris 2024, I'm ready for Paris 2024. I just need everybody to be injury free and everybody to come on the track and leave everything on the track. Okay? That's track and field. I cannot wait. Okay? Can't wait. So with that being said, big up to Shericka. She have four of the six fastest times in history of the 200 meters as her own. She is a living legend, and I'm going to give her her flowers while she is here because she deserves it. like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
No, seriously, what is this place?
This is heaven.
Rolling like a big shot, Chevy tuned up like a NASCAR pit stop. Fresh paint job, fresh inside, with the outside frame with the trunk wide. On the wheels with it, do it ride good. Lean back, right hand on the hardwood. Cream on the inside, clean on the side.
I don't blame nobody for leaving me. I mean, look at me. I'd leave me too.
Even when I looking in a hot mess, you still can't stunt on me. Because in one snap, I could cause it. Like you feel like...
Don't ever call me pretty because pretty is basic and I'm motherfucking gorgeous.
In a real life, girl, you are ignorant for me. Because you know nice, so. When you hear your makeup, you know look good, so. You are ignorant for me to say you always a chat me. You always a bring me down because in a real life, you know nice, so. When you hear your makeup, you know nice, so. Girl, you don't nice, so. Bye.
Don't ever call me pretty because pretty is basic and I'm motherfucking gorgeous.